Say record. I hope.
All right, as we continue on here.
Yeah, it's recording right now.
Oh, okay. Track prep.
Yes, it is frosty, very frosty. We're heading out for the Thanksgiving race at TRP. So it's about 28 degrees here this morning. It's not quite 8 o'clock just yet. At least the truck is starting to get thawed out. Has a bunch of frost on it and all that stuff. So the sun's at least hitting it and warming it up. So let's get this day started. Yep, frost on the window. Okay, welcome guys back to my channel. As you know, we have a race today at TRP. It's a 2-day race. It's called their Thanksgiving race. I'll put the official title in my video here. But anyway, to get ready for this race, we knew it was going to be cold, especially in the mornings and stuff. So instead of parking at the track, we live close to the track. We just kept the trailer and race car in here. What we did, we actually plugged the heaters and stuff in on the car, so that motor should be good and warm. I left it on pretty much all night long, so I'm going to check to see what the temperature is, just see how warm it got. So give me a second. The radiator is definitely good and warm. That means all that water is in that radiator, and what water got into the motor is a little bit warmer than what it is if I didn't put the heater in. So anyway, let's go ahead and get ready, get this thing hooked up to the truck, and let's get out of here. He forgot his cup. I told him he might need some hot chocolate. I don't know if you can see that or not. Showing 32 degrees right now. The morning low is 28, so definitely we had frost out here. But like I said in the opening video, kept the trailer up there in the shop, keep it mainly keep the car warm and stuff. The shop's a little bit warmer than outside, obviously. Then with the heaters on the radiator warming the water up, that kept it a lot warmer. So hopefully it won't be too hard to start this morning. Being alcohol, they are prone to hard starting in cold weather, but sometimes you have to spray it a little bit, or we use brake cleaner just to get it fired up. So hopefully we don't have to do that with the warmer temperature on the motor. But anyway, time here is about 8:23. The first time session is at 10:30, so, or no, 10 o'clock. So we got some time to get out there. We don't live that far from the track, so but we're gonna go head on out and get set up. And like I said, definitely a beautiful day here in Tulsa. So anyway, good race. Like I said, it's a 2-day race, big money race. So I'm in a 32 car shootout as well, and that's later on this evening. So can't wait to get the day started, see where it brings us. So with that, let's get on down the road, get to the track, and let's get set up. It's cold. It's sunny. Okay, we got done with qualifying and get ready to go to eliminations. We're in a green card class, so they're alternating classes. So there's actually 2 no box classes. There's different colors. Depends what color you get, is what class you run in. So anyway, I'm in the green card class. So the first no box class is running right now, and we'll run after Super Pro, then be no box, then Super Pro. It's kind of confusing. Anyway, car is deadly. It ran both 658s. Light's not too bad. I had a 002 first one and an 041 the next one. So anyway, it is getting Seems like it is kind of, sun's getting further down. That's just winter sun, I guess you could say. It's about 2:15 here. So anyway, we just started eliminating, so first round's come up here real soon. So here we go. Yep, lunchtime. Yummy. Hamburgers. Won my first round, dialed 658, reaction, not as good as like an 046. I forgot to write down, but I think that's what, 46 or 42. Had a little bit better light than the other guy. The guy just didn't run his number, so coasted through at a 663 at 93 miles an hour. But anyway, it would have ran a 658, so that's round one in the books, going to round two, and keep going. So here we go. Did not go as good as what I hoped for. We actually did have a great light. I had a 50, the guy had a 17. He ran his number dead on. I ran my number one off. So it is what it is. But
lotto tickets.
Hear the announcement? Lotto tickets.
The souvenir shack. We will draw tickets, one in no box, one in Super Pro, and put that. We're back in eliminations. It's round 4-ish.
Yeah, so what they're saying is that if they happen to call your ticket, you get put back in the 4th round. It's basically called a lotto ticket. So if they draw our number, we'll be going back in the 4th round. If not, we'll be waiting for the shootout later on tonight. So we just have to go from there. So that's going to be some time away from now. So at least another hour or two. So it's definitely it's definitely going to be in the dark when we start. So I don't know. I hope they run it tonight, but if not, maybe it'll be tomorrow night. I don't know. It is getting colder out there, so just have to wait and see what happens. So anyway,
no box orange again.
Here we go.
That's right. Day number 2. Day 1 did not go as expected, but hopefully day 2 does. So anyway. We pulled in here last night, didn't do the recording, but got the trailer put away and got the car plugged in. So anyway, time to get the day started. Let's get after it. Day 2.
Okay, we did our first round of qualifying session today. Time slips up. Falling off the table. Let me turn this down real quick.
Deep in the rounds last night, could not make it.
Okay. Anyway, first time session is done for the day. We want to get 1 qualifying sessions today. So, believe it or not, it ran the same number it was doing all day yesterday, 658. So, guess what I'm going to dial? 658. Decent light. Did 14 light, made adjustment on my button, added 2 more rings to it. That makes the button release quicker. So hopefully that's the key to get a decent light today. So anyway, we get ready for round number 1. First round did not go good. Actually red lighted by 20 9:24. I can't remember writing. Anyway, it's red. Car did slow down by 2, so I'm kind of concerned about that. We do have a front that's coming through, so the weather is changing a little bit. So I'm gonna kind of dial it up a little bit different for this one. I might put one in it. I dialed a 58 that round, and it ran a 60. So splits look about the same. It just was a little bit slower. So it was slower on the front half and even on the back half. So not too sure if that was a track doing that or what, but anyway, plus that was the left lane too. So when I ran the right lane on my test pass. So anyway, we'll see what happens, but I'll probably put a 59 on it and see what it goes from there. Anyway, here we go for round 2. Third round, not good. Red light, 039 red. So I bought some lotto tickets to get in, possible chance to get in the 4th round. So we'll find out if we get in that. If not, we'll get one practice round for the shootout. Then we'll go right into the shootout stuff. So anyway, wish me luck on that part. So here we go. Day's not over yet, so still got a chance to get something to win today. So here we go. I'm in the shootout. We won first round in the shootout. Not the most stellar light, but it was just enough to get the job done. So we're going on to round 2. So hopefully we'll keep this thing going. Hopefully get that winner circle tonight. So I need a lot of luck. My light's not been the best, so we'll see what happens this round. So anyway, here comes round 2 coming up. Okay guys, that's round number 2. A lot better light, 38 light. It ran one quicker. I think we had a 62 on it, ran or 61, right? So, okay, here we go, round 3. We're down to 6 cars, so gonna get filled up here, gas, and get out. day. We got down to 6 cars. The light sucked. Had a 76 light. Good buddy Nick, he deserved that win. So anyway, we're done racing for the year. That's it, no more until next year. So with that, man, it's been a great year. We're gonna have some new changes coming next year, hopefully for the better. So with that, hope you like what you see. If you do, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. So hope you did. Hope you like the new camera shots. Pretty damn cool. So anyway, with that, I'm out of here. Bye.